Hey everyone, this is Avinash back with another video. In this video, let's discuss about more parameters. Uh, back with another video. In this video, let's discuss about more parameters, especially the seed phase parameter inside Midjourney. The reason I didn't cover a couple of parameters in the previous video are like little advanced, need little depth of explanation. So let's discuss that in this video. So seed phase parameter. In the context of Midjourney, the seed phase plays a vital role in the image generation process. It's like a unique identifier that sets the initial conditions for generating images. Picture it as a kind of launching pad for the process. Not imagine, just each image generated by Midjourney starts with a seed number, which is typically selected randomly, right? It is like a 10 or 12 digit whole number. However, there is a feature in Midjourney that allows you to specify a particular seed number using the seed dash dash seed or dash dash same seed parameter extension. This The interesting thing is using the same seed number and prompt while producing similar ending images. In fact, right now I have a seed library where for every particular kind of an image I already had a seed face and the example of that image that was generated. So tomorrow, if I want similar images, instead of doing things from scratch, I will take that seed phrase and then do all the explanations in a prompt in a very basic way and enter the seed phrase. So I will consistently get something similar to that image, the environment and everything will be set. So this is how I do the seed phase library as of now, and you can do the same. If you are a digital artist or if you are an AI artist that want to scale your career, I highly recommend storing the seed phases of every image you generate separately, or at least every good image you think you generated, right? So seed accepts whole number 0 to something, and seed value only influences the initial image grid. So identical seed values using model 1, 2, 3 test and test P will produce images with similar compositions, colors, and details, right? So basically, using seed phase gives you similar composition, colors, details, and everything, but still having a seed phase, and you can just add your keywords and your prompt before the keywords, and things can be a little changed depending upon the prompt you gave. It will not be exactly 100% similar. So now, so identical seed phase value using model 1, 4, and 5 and Niji will produce nearly identical images, right? Seed number are not static and should not be relied upon between sessions, right? So it can not be relied. Yeah. So in the basically in the version 1, 2, 3, 4 test and all these versions, it will give you compositions, colors, details similar, not everything. But here in the version 4 and 5, it's almost identical with small changes on in the image that you already generated. As simple as that. So job runs 3 times with random seeds, right? Let's just do that. Example prompts. Imagine prompt, send an older picture, and then it gave us these 3 images, right? All picture, and then it gave the basic seed base, right? So job jobs run 2 times with seed 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So seed phase parameter to so jobs. Imagine you are running the same prompt 3 different times, and you will get images like this. So things are not related. Things are not aesthetically similar and all. Like they're little different, big, small, different designs and all. But in the next job, when you jobs here nothing but the generation, image generation, prompt generation kind of a thing. So now imagine you have 1, 2, 3 as your seed phase, and you insert 1, 2, 3, and then again use some kind of a celadon all picture. So you see almost every image are identical and aesthetically exactly same, right? So this is the power of a seed face. You can generate the almost similar looking images with the same aesthetic, same color and stuff like that. Actually, this is an easy example. I just wanted to give you a little faster, but then there is only one color and all, but then imagine you have a bigger set with different colors generated in all your images. It will be like super difficult to maintain the same aesthetics for next generation, right? Next job. But here, if you have a seed face, you can just maintain it and give a small prompt by maintaining the same aesthetics. That's one thing. And how to find it? It's very simple. Find the seed face number of a job in Discord by reacting with envelope emoji to a job. Imagine you go to whatever the job, you will get the 4 images, right? Just click on react, and then you will get envelope, react with envelope, and you will just get the job ID and the seed face like this. Job ID and the seed face like this. Seed face is like 3469 here in this thing. So as simple as that. So how to change the seed number? Use the seed face parameter, add seed value to the end of your prompt, and imagine prompt vibrant California poppy seed face, something like that. So now you are not actually using the seed number that was that would be technically generated by Midjourney. You are saying, okay, this is the seed number you gave me for one of my previous image generation or a job. So now I'm doing something similar. So get that aesthetics from your database and give this prompt output. So now it will give output according to their aesthetics. We are technically changing the seed base right now. So yeah, that's it for the seed face. Let's now just discuss about the Midjourney version 5.1. If you're seeing this 5 years down the line or 2-3 years down the line, you would be having like maybe Midjourney 10. But in June 2022 or 2023, sorry, if you're seeing this, so Midjourney recently released a version 5.1. They're bringing back the user friendliness. Midjourney 4 was super user friendly. 5.1, the 5, it's little complex for an average beginner level user. And now the only difference here is it is bringing back that user friendliness. And also Midjourney used to have little hard opinions on few things. So now they're bringing back that unopinionated mode, known as raw mode, just for you. So, and yes, you can still use the version 5 if you want. You can use 4.3 also. So if you want unopinionated raw kind of a mode, you can bring back that. But if you love the default setting from 5.1, don't worry, they got an unopinionated mode in 5. So that's one thing. So it basic improvements are high coherence, increased accuracy to the text prompts, fewer unwanted borders or text artifacts, and enhanced sharpness. So it's already super sharp, but I guess they fed Midjourney the diffusion model with more and more data, maybe a few billion more images or million more images, and now it is much more sharper, right? Yeah. Or you can type version 5 dash v 5.waf your prompt. It will default whatever the prompt you gave, whatever the version you used, it will go use 5.1 if your prompt ends with 5.1. So for the raw mode, click on the raw mode button in your settings or type style unraw dash style raw, right? So that's the difference. The first one is 5 and the second one is 5.1. It is a little more sharper, little more aesthetic, little more unopinionated, little more sharp, little more coherence, all that. So I guess that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for hopping on to this video, and we'll continue about Midjourney in the coming videos too. Thanks. Bye bye.